Hello, good morning viewers. Let me show you 3 different ways to overcome problems that are related to finding percentage of some numbers. I believe this will help kids out there and other business people. Let me start with the first one. Example, suppose we want to find 6% of 50. I'm just using 6 and 50 as an example. There could be other numbers. Before we start, I would like to let you know that both 6 and 50 are interchangeable. 6% of 50 is the same thing as 50% of 6. So the advice I want to give here is, whenever you're given a problem like this, always use that number which is a factor of 100. I mean that number that can go into 100 without remainder. We know that 50 can go into 100 without remainder. So instead of saying 6% of 50, we can write it as 50% of 6. They mean the same thing. And 50%, it means half, 1 over 2. Because if something is 100%, it means that thing is complete. But 50% of that thing, it means half of that thing. So half of 6 is 3. Therefore, 50% of 6 is equal to 3. I believe this is very simple compared to saying 6% of 50. The second problem is when you have combination of zeros greater or equal to 2. Example, if you have like, let me say 20% of, let me say 40. Can you see we have 2 zeros? We have one here and the other one here. Whenever you have problems like this, always just cancel 2 zeros and multiply the rest of the digits. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Therefore, 20% of 40 is equal to 8. Even if they are greater than 2, for example, if we have 400% of, let me say 200, we have 4 zeros this time around. Just cancel 2. You can cancel these 2 or these 2 or combination of 1 here and 1 here. What we have left is 40 times 20. And 40 times 20 is 800. Can you see that? Therefore, 400% of 200 is 800. And the last combination is when you don't have a situation like this or like this. All you have to do is, let me give you an example. So first we want to find 3% of 7. You see, 3 or 7 do not contain any 0. And none of 3 or 7 can go into 100 without remainder. All you have to do is just say 3 divided by 100 using your calculator, multiply by 7. This divide by this, multiply by 7. Whatever you obtain is said to be your final answer. Do not worry yourself. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.